Hello kids, let's draw some shapes. This is the black color. Round rectangle. Right triangle. Circle. Triangle. Square. Red color. Light brown color. Yellow color. Green color. Brown color. Let's color in round rectangle. Let's color in right triangle. Let's color in circle. Let's color in triangle. Let's color in square. Brown color, round rectangle. Dark green color, right triangle. Circle, light brown color. Yellow color, triangle. Red color, square. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.